Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's actually going to be a wig review of this really super curly hair. So first of all, I got this hair from Eon Hair. I think that's how I pronounce it. I will show you the little box. How cute is that? Really love the branding and the box. I think it's so gorgeous. So I wanted something a bit different. I wanted something a bit fun, something that was really away from my natural hair. Wanted something long as well, you know, a bit sexy. So I got this really beautiful curly hair. It's 100% human hair and it's a 360 wig, although I've only laid it down in the front. At the back it has a clip and then it's got 3 clips in the front, but I haven't even put those clips in. Let me tell you straight away, I don't know about wigs. Like, this is my first ever wig. I learned everything about wigs off of YouTube. Maybe like you or maybe you're experienced. But yeah, I have to say this hair is good. Like, even though I haven't really experienced wigs a lot, it's a good hair because one thing I've noticed, doesn't shed, doesn't get tangled, and it's just really easy and to manage. So when I received the hair, it didn't have any odor at all to it. I didn't really bother washing it. I just really stuck it on. I was excited. So I cut off the lace. I just glued it on. I have been using the Got To Be glue sprayed, and then I've been using the hair, the blow dry method. If you don't know what the blow dry method is, it's basically when you put the lace down and you put the glue, then you put like your finger over the part of the lace, and then you blow dry. But on a cold setting, not a hot setting, and then you go section by section. You don't go all in one go because that's just a bit messy. It's worked out great because I have to say it's tight and like the wig is not coming off my hand. The only places that it does come off are the ends, but that is because my natural hairline comes out really fast, so I struggled to like try and push the wig forward because it looks like really unnatural if I do that. But I have to say that Got To Be, wow. That thing is strong. I'm really happy about that. But yeah, the hair is really lovely. I just like the body waves. What I've personally done to style it up is only use water in this little spray bottle that I got at like body care, which is like just a, I don't know, like a hair, it's like hair, makeup, nails, like, you know, one of those like hair boutique shops. Yeah, you know what I mean, they sell all that stuff. And then I've also used the Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. Use the mousse just a little bit here in the front, just to lay it down a bit more. All I do with the hair is spray it and go. I don't do anything. I don't like to do anything. I'm really lazy. But the thing is, it looks nice and it looks super natural. I love the curl patterns. I love how it's different curl patterns. It's not like super uniform. In the front, they're a bit more loose, and then you've got a bit more of the strong curls as well. And the back, ooh, the back has those curls. Look at those. They're beautiful. Really nice. So as I say, the hair came pre-plucked, but I chose just to pluck it a little bit more just to make the hairline a bit more natural. And then what I used to I forgot what the word is. I'm so bad at words. Basically, what I used underneath to make the lace look a bit natural was the Sally Henderson airbrush leg, and I got this in the color 03, and I think that is a medium. It doesn't say here, but I think that's medium, but 03 will help you as well. And then to set it, because that is a liquid, I use my Laura Mercier in the color Deep, the translucent medium deep, because that is my exact skin color. And what I've been finding online is that people are using the exact powder, but I just use the Laura Mercier because it's a powder and it's my exact thing. So, and I have so much of it, like I hardly ever use it, so I thought, why not? Yeah, loving the hair. It did come pre-plucked, which is really good for me because I don't know about wigs, as I said. So all I did was just create a little bit of baby hair, and what I used was this razor comb just to make the hairs a bit smaller. And then to lay down the baby hairs, I used a toothbrush, you know the method. And then I also used the Got To Be spray, because that was a method that I saw online as well. People were using that, saying that it was really easy. So yeah, really simple. In the box, it came with, let me open it up so I can remember. So it came with some the socks, but I didn't use that. Came with the elastic band. I lost that. And again, the hair was, as I said, didn't have any odor to it, and they were just wrapped up in that black knit thing. Shipping and order and pricing. Didn't even remember pricing. How rude. Let me grab my phone because I am not good when it comes to details. So I ordered this hair on the 5th of January 2019. It cost me, the hair price cost is $223. I paid that for myself. And then there was a little discount because they were having a New Year's thing. So in total I paid £202.93, including shipping, and that's with FedEx. Yes, girls, FedEx. So I got 22 inches, natural color, 180% density, medium cap, and a free part. So I ordered on the 5th of January, and I got a notification to say that it had been shipped out on the 8th of January. Guess when it arrived? It arrived on the 10th. Like, I was shocked. When the guy was calling me, the FedEx guy, I was like, I was thinking it's another order because I had used FedEx or something else. I was like, oh, I thought I was going to my workplace because I wanted it to go to my workplace, and this one I wanted to come to my house. And like, he gave me the pack. I was thinking, this is tiny. What the hell is this? Opened up, it's the wig. I was so shook because I wasn't expecting the wig to come in 2 days from China to the UK. Like, wow. Like, I know it can be quick, but I buy things with China a lot. It's never that quick. Generally, I've only had the quickest parcel to come in is 3 days for me. So I was so surprised, and I was so happy that it came so quickly because I was able to style it as soon as possible. Now, any disadvantages about this hair? I don't have anything negative to say about it because I like it. Only thing maybe possibly I could say is that it's huge, it's massive, but then I got 180% density. And what you can use is the water to kind of give you more of that wet look and make it a bit more like thinner, less hair. Because sometimes I've noticed that if it gets really like airy, the hair goes massive. Like the other day I was out and I couldn't even see my face. My hair was just everywhere, you know. I was trying to kiss a boy and my hair was in my face. But yeah, I really love the hair. Really soft. And honestly guys, if I didn't like the hair, I would tell you the truth because I spent my own money on this. As I said, it wasn't sent to me, but I'm really loving this hair. I have had so many compliments. Like when I go out, sometimes people don't give me compliments because, you know, some people are a bit, you know. But I've had people come up to me and be like, oh my god, your hair's so nice, where's it from? I have people staring at me, but like good stares. You know those good stares of people looking at you like, you look good. I've had guys look at me and like, you look good, like this hair. I have to say, like, your hair makes such a difference to your appearance, to how you feel, to everything. Like really, your hairstyle makes a difference. I have to say, there's something about having a really cute hairstyle. Like it gives you this sense of confidence. Like I've been feeling so good about myself. Like I won't even bother like putting a lot of makeup. I might just put a little mascara, a little lip gloss, and not even any foundation. Maybe a little bit of concealer because I got some marks and stuff and scars. And honestly, I'll be feeling myself. I'll be thinking, girl, yes! Like I get really excited looking at myself. This hair has really, I feel really pretty in the hair. And I think that is the most important thing. You need to feel and look good in the hair. So I really love this hair. I hope you love it too. I hope this video is informative enough. I feel like I went through everything. But if there's any other questions you have about the hair, about the company, please do leave me a comment in the description bar and I will make sure to respond to it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope if you do purchase the hair, show me, like tell me how you think, how is the hair? Was the service as quick for you? Was the hair as popping for you? Have you been getting the compliments like I have? Like, oh, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!